Welcome to the Exquisite Student series. Let's get to meet our Exquisite students of Phase 1. Let's go!
Good day everyone, my name is AITEGBE Sandra and I'm from Edo State, Benin to be precise. I'm aspiring for medicine and surgery in UNIBEN. I'm a caterer, I cook for parties, I bake cake, I do pastries, and also decorate, most especially for birthday surprises and engagements. A friend of mine introduced me to Exquisite. I joined their free classes, their 7 days free classes, and when I saw that the classes were successful, it was good, it was amazing, I decided to register for the main class. So currently I'm one of their students. My best subject so far is chemistry. I love chemistry so well. It's a subject I love to read with. I read with ease. Like, I'm not stressed by reading it. Then my worst subject, I don't really think I have a worst subject anymore, but before now, my worst subject used to be English. I never loved English because I didn't like to read it. But with the help of my English tutor, I can now read English, so it's becoming used to me, and I'm getting to like the subject. My experience with Exquisite so far has been an amazing one. The tutors are so friendly and they have these teaching skills that if they teach you something, you are most likely to understand, except you decide not to understand it. So it has really been an amazing experience with Exquisite. Looking at the tutors, my best tutor so far is Nurse Favor and Dr. Yiko. That's my English tutor and my physics tutor. And my best Exquisite classmate so far is Lillian. Yes, we usually talk almost every day. I love doing the most is singing. I love singing. Yes, that's something I just love to do. So after JAM, I'm planning on going back to my work, yes, because during this space of JAM, I've actually decided to give my work a space so I can have time for my studies. So after JAM, I'm planning on going back to my work, and also I'll start reading for post-UTME as early as I can. Yeah, I'll start reading for post-UTME as early as I can, so I might be working and also reading for post-UTME.
Contact AITEGBE Sandra for your cakes, decorations, and surprises with the contacts on the screen.